Hello, my name is Jeremy, and I'm the Director of Technical Community and Open Source at Datadog. I hope you're enjoying this South Korea Virtual Summit. Earlier this year, we had our flagship conference, DASH. For those of you who are unable to attend, I'd like to get you up to speed on what you missed. At DASH 2020, we unveiled new products and features on the Datadog platform that provide engineering teams with even deeper visibility into their distributed applications and infrastructure. With these additions, Datadog further streamlines every step of your release cycle, from shift-left testing in your CI/CD pipelines to profiling your code in production. We also launched the Datadog mobile app to make on-call easier, compliance monitoring for enhanced cloud security, and the marketplace is a collaborative platform for our partners. I'm going to give you a brief recap about these developments and everything else that we announced at Dash right now. With Datadog Incident Management, your teams can now use Datadog to easily create incidents and track them from notification to resolution and right through postmortem. The new Incidents UI provides a central place for reporting and monitoring the status of all your incidents. An incident's timeline automatically reflects any new information or status changes, and anyone can add additional markdown or interactive graphs from right inside Datadog. Incidents also work seamlessly with other new features, including enhanced notebooks, which now support live, multi-user editing for collaborative post-incident reviews, and another new announcement from Dash, our mobile app. That's right, the Datadog mobile app is now here. Available for both iOS and Android, the app provides on-call engineers with instant access to your Datadog dashboards and alerts from anywhere. Now, when you get paged by one of your integrated on-call services, the notification contains a link to the relevant in-app Datadog alert where you'll see a summary of recent environment activities along with interactive metric graphs for immediate context, all without the need to open your laptop. Next, we had multiple security and compliance monitoring announcements. First is investigation dashboards. With Datadog Security Monitoring, you can detect potential security issues and threats to your environment in real time. To help you more effectively investigate these issues and the context in which they arise, we introduced out-of-the-box investigation dashboards. You can use these dashboards to review your security posture all at a glance. We also announced Threat Intelligence Enrichment. Threat Intelligence provides valuable external context to ingested log events so you can more quickly triage security signals. Threat Intelligence identifies whether specific log attributes may be malicious or benign and provides an associated rationale. Datadog maintains and updates threat intelligence feeds curated by trusted providers, so logs are enriched with up-to-date and accurate context. Moving on to compliance, with the release of Datadog Compliance Monitoring, we are helping you to continuously monitor production environments for misconfigurations and maintain compliance with rigorous industry standards and frameworks such as PCI DSS, SOC 2, or CIS. Compliance monitoring automatically watches the state of key cloud resources, such as your security groups, storage buckets, and load balancers, in order to detect potential misconfigurations and compliance violations across every level of your stack. Our next category of announcements is APM and UX monitoring. First, there's our Continuous Profiler, which allows you to analyze your application's performance in production down to single lines of codes with minimal overhead. Continuous Profiler collects multiple types of profiles, items such as CPU and memory allocation, and once again does this across your entire stack. Inspecting these profiles helps you identify and optimize the most resource-consuming methods in your application, allowing you to reduce end-user latency and cloud provider costs. It also automatically performs heuristic code analysis and shares actionable insights for performance improvements, so anyone on your team can quickly address main problem areas. Next is synthetic CI/CD testing. Datadog synthetic tests are both robust and easy to create, which saves your team time and prevents alert fatigue. With synthetic CI/CD testing, you're able to integrate your existing production-level synthetic tests into your CI/CD pipeline in order to prevent bad merges, to automate rollbacks, and to run tests alongside your canary deploys. This shift-left approach to testing can be achieved with both our flexible API endpoints and a CLI, so you can seamlessly incorporate synthetic tests into the tooling you've already set up. We also announced error tracking. Errors can be difficult to troubleshoot without meaningful context. Datadog Error Tracking intelligently groups errors into issues, so you can easily understand when an error started, which version of your code is impacted, and what may have caused it. Error tracking is included with Datadog Real User Monitoring, so there's no need to install an SDK or modify your code. Speaking of RUM, we also announced mobile real user monitoring. Like web and backend developers, mobile developers need real-time visibility into application performance and user experience. But mobile applications run at the edge of your infrastructure, making it more challenging to see the full picture. Datadog Mobile RUM helps mobile developers navigate this complexity and deploy applications with confidence. With Mobile RUM, you can analyze usage information across any app version, OS, or device and get end-to-end visibility for investigating errors and crashes. Last in this category is APM Live Search. Live Search allows you to search 100% of ingested traces by any tag on any span over the last 15 minutes. Traces are streamed live as users navigate your website or mobile application, giving you complete access to user requests during an outage or a performance investigation. Filter down to traces matching infrastructure, application, or custom tags, and watch real-time analytics for requests, errors, and latency percentiles as you deploy a new version of your code to production. Moving on to our ecosystem, with the new Datadog Marketplace, Datadog partners can now use Datadog as a development and collaboration platform to build custom apps, including third-party integrations and monitoring tools, and offer them to their customers and to the Datadog community at large. Backed by strict vetting standards and a fully managed billing system, the Marketplace opens up new ways for our partners to increase the scope of their monitoring solutions and provide original integrations to customers. Next, we announced Recommended Monitors, a suite of pre-configured, customizable alert queries and thresholds that enable customers to enact monitoring best practices for the technologies they rely on with the click of a button. Recommended monitors are based on the expertise of our many technology partners, as well as our own experience and the experience of thousands of customers, so you can trust that problems in your system will not go undetected. Wrapping up ecosystem, Big Panda is a data analysis platform that takes alert input from monitoring tools and uses machine learning to correlate them and perform automatic root cause analysis. With Datadog's new integration, you can send your Datadog alerts to Big Panda in order to surface patterns and identify the cause more quickly. When Big Panda identifies a correlation and creates an incident, it will also push that event back to Datadog. The next category is log management. Datadog customers can now send their AWS service logs directly to Datadog with an Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose delivery stream. Through this easy-to-configure process, users can explore and analyze service logs to gain deeper insights into the state of their AWS infrastructure and applications. Logs streaming from Kinesis Data Firehose automatically include key metadata such as their source, so users can quickly identify which AWS service generated the log. Our final announcement was Zero Instrumentation Serverless Observability. Datadog now integrates with AWS Serverless Application Model, or SAM, and AWS Cloud Developer Kit, the CDK, to provide zero instrumentation serverless observability. With these new integrations and our pre-existing serverless framework plugin, teams can use their choice of developer tooling to streamline how they build, manage, and troubleshoot their serverless applications. That's a recap of our Dash 2020 product announcements. Visit our blog for more information, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of this virtual summit.